Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure power and connectivity are ready. Charge the watch above 50% and enable Bluetooth on your iPhone. This prevents interruptions during pairing. Once done, open the watch app and tap Start Pairing, align the camera viewfinder or select Manual if the camera fails. You sign in with your Apple ID to sync apps and settings. Enable Cellular now if you want standalone calls and data. This step links health, passwords, and notifications so your watch works smoothly. Once paired, you customize the watch face and complications to surface the info you need quickly. Tap and hold a face, then edit, drag complications for priority. Next, configure health and activity goals, set realistic move rings, and enable fall detection and emergency SOS so the watch protects you. Then install apps from the App Store. Make sure to review notification settings per app to avoid constant alerts. These choices control battery, focus, and what data syncs to your iPhone. You finish by syncing media and testing key features. Play a song, open an offline map, and try Apple Pay to confirm payments work. Make sure to update to WatchOS 11 in settings to access new features and security fixes. Check battery usage to set realistic expectations. If something goes wrong, for example, pairing or sync issues, restart both devices first, toggle Bluetooth, and retry manual pairing. If still stuck, unpair and repair to refresh the connection and settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.